Ito ninyo, pagkayot po mas kuha. Ang mandiwan ni Toto.
Hi guys, so good evening. Kakarating ko lang. It's currently 10:37 and yung output is nasa 9. So tomorrow it's gonna be my day off and I don't know yet. So yeah, let's see tomorrow. Actually, I have to do some traveling for tomorrow, I think for sure. And that's going to be very early. I'm gonna do that in the morning. So yeah, because I'm very busy. It's busy where in my workplace, and I have little pain on my shoulders because of that. Yeah, so what's this? Tomorrow it's my plan. Well, maybe my plan is just to sleep, just for rest, and just to talk to some of my friends. Gusto niya na mag-ice cream today. I'll have 11 p.m. So, mag-ice cream. Dalhin ko kayo guys for sure. Buying cakes for a birthday party. Charot. So, for surprise cake lang naman to guys. Ayun, ang daming Charot. Ito na yung cake na isa-surprise natin sa nag-birthday. Ayan. So, nung last time kasi guys, na nag-birthday ako, surprise niya din ako ng mga seafood. So, ayan. Here we go. Super excited na may bigay ito. Super simple lang. Ayan. Maliit lang siya. Person happy. I have to bring candles though.
Huh?
Okay. Tinga.
Started to smoke.
Una lang guys, so welcome back. So I just came from the beach and umuwi lang ako kasi nalobat talaga yung phone ko, as in dead. So yeah, currently I'm charging my phone over here. So kung mga hindi pa ako guys lobat, for sure andun ako sa beach ngayon. Well, what happened today, I just did a little surprise kahit pa paano. So kahit pa paano meron tayong napapasayang tao. Just a very simple na gift lang din naman, yung maliit na cake. So it was my friend's birthday today, and nung the last time, if you're watching all the videos that I made, meron din naman siya na like sinurprise na pagkain, hindi nga lang siya food. But anyways, seafood, I love seafood. So ayun, parang tumatak din sa akin na I have to change it with a good din, na meron din na kahit pa paano na maging mabuo din yung isang araw or yung birthday. So ayan, bigay ako ng cake, and I was happy na meron din ako napapasaya kahit konti lang. So today I spent my day off, the whole morning na matulog, of course, kasi anong oras na ako nagising, alas 10 na. And then after that, I laundry all my clothes. So if you follow me, nag-live ako kanina while I'm doing my laundry. You can check it out. I will link it here. And after that, ay nag-prepare na. So ayun, parang nag-chat lang din. And then kung gusto ko yung gano'n na cake and coffee also. So favorite ko ay nagkape lang. What's that called? Coffee Frappy na palagi kong ito-order doon sa restaurant na yun. And I like also yung ganong klaseng kape. So I did that. I ordered one medium size, and ayun, so since meron din ako na cake, ayun lang din naman yung kinain namin, which is the flavor was mocha. Ayun, masarap siya guys, bali dinaanan ko lang yun para makabili. Pero meron din na kahit meron ding surprise na konti. So anyways, masaya naman yung isa, so okay lang din. And then ayun, after that, ayun, nag-take ng pictures, videos, and then after naman nun, so umuwi na. Tapos and the other naman, yung mga kaganapan, yung nephew ko naman, my sister just sent me a video na my nephew asking for his Christmas gift from me. So ayun, yun yung next na ganap ngayong araw. Bali, nag-send lang ako through Gcash na lang for them. Ayun, pamasko ko din. So at least magiging happy din yung mga bata or yung mga pamangkin. And then other thing naman, ayun, napabalik ako guys doon sa beach kanina because parang feeling ko lang maganda, masarap doon na maupo and then to watch all people around and watch also sunset. So that was a very good experience naman na may alone time. And not alone time, kumaga ako lang mag-isang pumunta doon, and ayun, nag-watch ng sunset, nag-watch ng mga tao. Sobrang dami yung mga tao doon sa front beach kanina, as in. So since holidays na very soon, ay kakatapos lang ng Christmas, ang daming tao. Even sa workplace ko guys, super busy, as in. Hindi ka na doon masyado makakain if you're doing, as in sobrang busy. Ang dami-daming tao. So yeah, nag-enjoy naman ako. Siguro it's mga 1 hour siguro ako nandun. And ayun, naupo lang. then, yun, tingin-tingin sa paligid, watching people. Ay, marami ring naliligo. Marami din mga nagtitake ng mga pictures, photos, videos doon sa sunset. So, enjoy ko naman siya. And I did some also. I'll share it to my YouTube channel. So, I will share it with you guys. So, I'm currently editing all the video that I took today. And, ayun. So, dahil nalobat, as in sobrang, talaga, 0% talaga guys. Like, dead talaga yung cellphone ko when I came here. Kasi nga, kanina, bago ako umalis, nasa 30-50, something ganun lang. So, if I taking videos, pictures, then mas masyado siyang magastos sa bar ng phone ko. So, that's the reason why. Anyways, ngayon papaalis kami. So, I tried to fix a little bit. Ayan. So, I comb also my hair. I put some little lipstick. And I'm ready to go. So, update ko kayo guys soon. Siguro sa next vlog ko na. Bye for now.